In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a bar graph comparing two data sets. So in this spreadsheet that I have two teams, two football teams, Arizona Cardinals and New Orleans Saints from two different years, 2022, and you can see 2010 as well. So I have their rosters. So I'm going to compare their average weights from the 2010 season to the 2022 season of the two teams. So in order to find the average weights of the players from these seasons, the best thing to do is to use filters, which we've covered in another tutorial. So I'm going to filter this data out. And I'm going to first click on the spreadsheet to select it all, and then I'm going to filter out individual pieces of data. Okay, now that we have our data, we're going to make our chart. The easiest way is to highlight all the data here and then click on the chart button, the insert chart. Now, I could use the insert menu here, or I can click on the more button to reveal the insert chart. Now, with that highlighted, when I click on the insert chart, Google Sheets is going to guess what I want. It's very logical. And notice it makes this already. So I have Arizona here, and I have New Orleans, and I have a legend, the 2010 season versus the 2022 season. And so it will make a nice bar graph for me. Now I can double click pretty much anywhere in here and edit things. So maybe I want to give this a title because our chart does need a good title. So maybe we could say, average weight of players. And maybe I want to center that and that kind of thing. And I can bold it and I can do some different things. I can even change the colors of the bars and that kind of thing. But once I have the chart created, I can click on it and then I can copy it. I can Control C and that will copy it. You'll notice when it's selected, this button, the more button here, gives you some other options. You can copy the chart that way. And so if I copy the chart, then I can go to any other place, any other document, and I can paste with Control V. I can put this in a totally different file in a Google Doc or that kind of thing. And so that's the easiest way to make a bar graph in Google Sheets from two sets of data.